Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I had to do this video over because the other one got corrupted. Sorry about that, but this is from Bridget. She doesn't have a YT channel or Instagram. She didn't mention Instagram, but this is how she decorated the back, and I just wanted to show you that because I already did the video. I'm doing it over again. So this, and I wanted to make sure that I mentioned this too. This is actually an iCAD because this is a 4x6, so this would count as an iCAD. Rip it up as an index card, but I'll take my time to get it off. And I already opened this up the last time I filmed it, but what she sent me was, I'm share that with you guys. So that account is an iCAD and IC because that's a 4x6, and she's done, you can see the painters in here. I love the color scheme, very pretty. And if you look closely, there's 3 kids. At first I didn't even notice that. I was like, I knew, like, I was looking at the impression. I didn't even pay attention to the first when I first looked at it, that they were raised and that they're kids. I was looking at it the opposite way. My eyes were seeing it the other way. Then I looked at it again and I was like, oh no, that's 3 kids. Pretty nice. I like that. And then she show you the card she made me. You guys know if you watch my channel, I love the Julie Nutty doll. So she made me a cute little red dressed Julie Nutty doll with some bows in her hair and some bling and some candy. And she says in here, happy birthday, dear Dawn, happy birthday, have a blessed new year. And artfully, Bridget. I mean, that's artfully, prayerfully. Artfully it is, I can't read. And it says, I can't always comment, can't always enter contests, but I can always enjoy watching your videos. So thank you so much for taking the time to participate. I do greatly appreciate that, and send this in to me. And she's got her handcrafted by Bridget on the back. And then she actually sent another card too, which I thought was also really cute. It says, a moment lasts all of a second, but the memory lives on forever. And that is so true. So this is a nice iCAD as well. So this has the back of her information on the back. It talks about her favorite colors, turquoise, pink, red, gold, and glitter, and she loves all styles. And guess what, Bridget? Your birthday is 3 days after mine. So I'm in November, you're December, baby, so we're 3 days apart, and you don't live too far from me. So hopefully, I see you have a YouTube channel, which is your name, Bridget Murray, but right now you're not currently doing any videos, so hopefully maybe you will. But thank you for this iCAD. I love it. But this also, if you count 1, 2, it looks like it's about to, yeah. But yes, thank you. So we get points for that. And then also, last but not least, here is my memory dex card. It's nice and sturdy. And what she did was she had a little label and a sentiment. It says, friends warm the heart, which they do. And she's got this nice little photo right here, and she's got some gold, like iridescent, instead of metallic. No, holographic, that's what I'm trying to say. It's gold, like, it looks like it has maybe just a shimmer in it on the night time. I was gonna say it looks almost holographic, but it's gold in the background. You can see that. And she's got her got her information on the back. So thank you so much, Bridget, for participating, entering, and I got you down for the card and the iCAD and the Rolodex, so you get all those points for all of that, and also a point for postmarking everything in time. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Greatly appreciate it, and Happy New Year to you too. And for anybody else who's interested, the last day is the 31st of the month, and I have a link to that video as well, so you can see what the requirements are and what the giveaway is. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, you guys, and take care. God bless. Bye-bye.